kutoka huko Senegal. Anacheza na kijana kutoka Senegal, Ndutie Shaka Mao ndiye ambaye anashiriki katika kiwango hiki. Ni kocha wake kutoka Misri. Piga mereka, lakini mwenzake amejaribu kukwepa kidogo. Kutoka Senegal, Gamba. Haya, refa anawaelekeza. Tayari kijana Ndutia ameshapata pointi moja. Ya pili hiyo, pata pointi hapo. Haya, mashabiki vijana chipukizi wamekuja kumpa sapoti. Endelea kufanya vizuri kijana huyo. Pointi ni tayari. Pointi ne Kambe Badara kutoka huko Senegal. Anga bigaragara ko umusore Ndutiye arimo kugenda yitwaramo neza cyane mu byerekeranye no gukwepa no gukubita utuntu twa hato na hato. Abana abafana baje kushyigikira Ndutiye, amushyizemo akandi kantu. Amanota amaze kuba 5 kugeza ubu. Gamba Badara wa Senegal utari wagira ikintu abona. Bigaragara ko cyane cyane umusore Ndutiye buryo akora atake ze birimo akantu k'ubwenge. Tayari bigaragara ko amaze kubona amanota 7. Kambe Badara atari yabona inota na rimwe. Ndutiye ugeranyije uburyo arimo kwitwara bitandukanye no ku musore w'ejo yitwaragamo, ko arakarikira uburyo akora mu maze uburyo yinjira agiye kwataka. Yerekana ko amushyizemo akantu ariko ntabwo bikunze hariya. This is Ndutiye who is actually leading with the 7 points, while the Senegalese Kambe Badara hasn't actually gotten any point. Seems to be calculating his movements, the way he attacks with aggressiveness, which is one of the most important and key factors that can help a player or the athlete win. He is being cheered and supported by a few young bloods who have actually turned up. That is Ndutiye who wins this stage now with 8 points.